Okay, we're going to start off by using the reciprocal in order to divide two fractions. And so we're going to start off with 3/4, 3 being the numerator, 4 being the denominator, divided by, and we're going to divide 3/4 in half. And so for this example, I'm going to do another video for how to conceptually show this using pictures. But for this example, we're just going to use the reciprocal, which was one of our vocabulary words from the first module that we were doing. So let's just review real quick. The numerators are 3 and 1, and the denominators are 4 and 2. And that's really important because we are going to use the reciprocal in this method, which means I'm going to take the denominator and make it the numerator, and take the numerator and make it the denominator for only one of the fractions. So for each step, I'm going to use a different color. So I'm going to start with 3/4 again. And essentially for every step, we're not really going to change this fraction much. I am going to bring down this division, and the opposite operation that is used for division is multiplication. And so real quickly though, before I do that, I think I'm going to change this color here. I'm going to go ahead and make this, I'm going to keep this the same, 3/4, because this didn't really change. And I'm going to use red to change this division into multiplication, right? And then, so this is what we call the inverse operation or the opposite operation. So division changes to multiplication. Then I'm going to use green for my reciprocal. I'm always going to take the second fraction in this method, and I'm going to flip it or make it become, or use the inverse or reciprocal of this fraction. So 1 will come down here to the bottom, to the denominator. Let me put 1 there. Okay. And I'm going to use a different color here. 2, which was the denominator, is now going to be the numerator. We put 2 there. So as you can see, 2 was the denominator. We put it down here. It became the numerator. 1 was the numerator. We put it down here, and it became the denominator. So now I'm going to rewrite my sentence so I can solve. This is step 3, 3/4 multiplied by 2/1 in this final step. And 3 times 2 is 6. And 4 times 1 is 4. I can also reduce this out. 2, 3/2. Let me erase that real quick. Back that up because that 3 is a little too big. 3/2.